Spoiler alert. The following contains spoilers for The Walking Dead Season 7 Episode 6, Swear. To read our recap of Episode 5, click here. Oh hey there, Tara. It's nice to see your smiling face again. Throughout its 7th season, The Walking Dead has presented a world full of people more desperate than ever to stay alive, despite the fact that there doesn't seem to be anything, or anyone, worth living for. It took 6 episodes, but we're finally finding some goodness in this world again. Even if it's just 2 people trusting each other. Swear takes us back to 2 characters you may have forgotten about in all the Negan hubbub, Tara and Heath, who we last saw heading out on a scavenging trip before Denise died. All of Alexandria went to hell. It's a welcome rest from the tyranny of the saviors, and it's a reminder that there are some things we like about this world, and this show in general. Plus, water and dirt zombies. No one's in this together, not anymore. If Heath is this depressed being out on the road with Tara, how's he going to feel when he gets back to Alexandria to find the entire community ravaged by the saviors? We're guessing not great. 2 weeks into their mission and with nothing to show for it, Heath is getting dark, while Tara still finds something to be hopeful about in their situation. Of course, she also is a bit of an idiot when they come across their first promising lead for supplies, namely, ammo and guns, creating a zombie landslide that is one of the more startling moments of the show so far this season. She winds up going over the bridge where she and Heath were fighting into the river, and washing up on the shore some miles away. Heath's fate is unknown. A zombie Themyscira. The settlement that Tara stumbles upon may as well be The Walking Dead's version of Wonder Woman's Amazonian paradise of female warriors. It's a well-run camp full of only women where they shoot outsiders on sight. While a young girl discovers Tara and wants to immediately dispense with her, a woman saves her and helps her after she ends up on the edge of the camp. Like Tara, Cindy is trying to find the good in herself and her family and the world at large in the middle of all this violence and terror. Perhaps the funniest scene on the show all year takes place when Tara tries to act covert while being questioned by the leaders of the camp, claiming she worked on a larder fishing boat before the world ended. The ladies want her to stay or die, so their secret doesn't get out, but Tara wants to get back to Alexandria. After they reach a temporary peace where 2 of the women accompany Tara back to find Heath, Tara tries to give them the slip and discovers exactly how giant a mess our heroes have caused by getting involved with the saviors. It turns out this settlement is entirely made up of women because the saviors executed all the men and every boy over the age of 10.